Alright, girls and gals, guys and gals, I don't know. So this part is from Dreamizer. It says it's for the G70, G80, but it's more or less a universal part. So we'll see what's in the box. Looks like we got our two middle pieces here. You have 3 holes where those kind of connect to, looks like. So I'll see if I can snap these together. That'll be the middle. There are outsides here, so this would be the outside right. I believe in the instructions it kind of goes above it like this. So you kind of get that square tip there. And this would be your outside edge of the bumper. Like I said, this is universal, so once you bolt it together, you can adjust it how you want. I got blocks on the front of the car. I'll show you where I basically pop it up under the car, adjust it how it should be, then I'll screw it in. It should be a pretty quick install. Sorry for the smoke. So I think it's something like that. Comes with these two basically struts on here that you will bolt down to the front of it wherever you like, and then bolt it to your bumper to have that effect on it. Here's our screw bag here. There's 3 of these smaller black screws in here, so those 3 go in your middle section to bolt those 2 together. And the rest of these are self-tapping screws that you'll put into the lip to go around the bottom of your bumper. These other 2 screws, I'm not sure they're for. I probably won't use them, but I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm basically put those 3 screws in there, and then I'm gonna put it under the car. That way I can get it all even and then screw it to the car. All right, so I got those 3 black screws in, and it kind of made it seamless. Earlier I had it set up a little wrong, so this center piece will actually go on top. That way you can get your chiseled look to it. So you kind of even up that with the curvature of the outside piece. Like I said, I have to set this up under the car to get it how you want it, but you get those points there once you put that on top. All right, guys, this is what we got so far. I'm not in love with it, honestly, but that's the best I can get it to get it even. So kind of got all the way to the edge on that side, wrapped it around, and I got tape holding it in place so I screw it in, but basically I wanted to get this curvature, which you'll see I'll take the tape off, of this curvature to match, to be more even with it being 3-piece. I wanted this point on this body line to be even with this corner. Oh, and of course, you know, the center here, I just try to get it centered with this grill. Make sure this is in the center of the car, which is actually, I guess it's centered. So here you can kind of see where the curvature should be kind of even and down to the edge. So screws are these. So I'm assuming these longer ones, don't mind my ash, I'm always ashy. These longer ones will go where the pieces overlap at. Since it's a thicker piece, it is 2 of them, so I'll put those in there where they overlap at, and then all the smaller ones I put around the whole lip. There's no pre-drilled holes, so just put them in where you want them. And then this will basically go somewhere like this, or even over here. I probably won't use these. These are a little cheesy since it's not really a downforce kind of thing, but that's where they would go. So you just drill your hole in here, put that in, and drill a hole in the bumper. So I'll get there, but I'll probably drill a hole here and one on the other side, drill these in, then take the bumper off to put these holes in, because you have to put a nut on the back of that. So the bumper may have to be removed to screw that nut on. All right, me drill this up, see how it looks. All right, guys, I'm not in love with it, but as I screwed it in, it kind of shifted some where I wanted it. So as you put a couple screws in, you know, 1 or 2, put it toward the middle of each major piece so you can kind of rotate it however you like. But I got a few screws in, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the blocks, and that way I can finish screwing it in. And make sure you get some screws toward the front and the back. So right now you see it's kind of toothed up, but once I screw in the back, it should have it like that. So I need to put a couple of screws in toward the back of it to tilt the back up like that. I just put some in the front just so it wouldn't be a gap, but you don't need me in the front, just enough to close the gap, but the support needs to be toward the back. Alright guys, the lip is on there. Like I said, I'm not in love with it, but they sent me the part to try out and to send them pictures. They needed a test vehicle, so I put it on there. I'm not going to really use these, but basically they screw inverse, so you want to tighten it down. I just hold one end against my stomach and twist the other end, and you're going to want to get a drill bit equivalent to that size. So if I was to do it, I would do it this way just so it can go with the grill. I'll probably like 3M tape it here just so we can see how it looks. One of the pictures they sent, they had it going this way, but I don't really like that with the grill. I don't have much lip down on that end, so I may do it this way to go with the grill. Like I said, I'm not gonna actually put them on there, but I just want to kind of mock it up to see how it looks. But I'm gonna back the car off the ramp and get it on level surface and see how it looks. Alright guys, here's the final product. It actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. Like I said, I just kind of got those strut braces pasted up there with 3M tape for looks. I didn't really want to take the bumper off and drill in and make it look too ricey, but it's not horrible. It gives the G70 a more aggressive look, more aggressive stance. Sorry, my finger. I'm using my phone this time. But it's not horrible. I don't know. I'll probably keep the lip on there. I probably won't keep the bracing. It does go with the chrome, surprisingly, but it just seems too ricey to me. And I do like it better with the diagonals going this way with the grill. The other way, I think it'll look weird, but I probably won't keep it because I'm not trying to get ricey out here. But it's not horrible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Psych, I forgot, I wanted to show y'all how it looks without it. So actually without it, I kinda like it. It looks better. It has a more aggressive look. The black goes well without that strut bar.